Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muhanna Mamdouh Wazira, student at Qura University, Department of Computer Engineering. The start will be talking in this presentation for the following outline. First, introduction. Second, definition of signal crystal. Third, Sikorsky process. Fourth, picture for crystal column. Fifth, crystal formation process. Sixth, crystal uses. And seventh, summary. Introduction to crystal. Crystal is one of the most important technological material in recent years because of its availability at reasonable cost, and also is one of the essential for the development of electronic device in the present day, especially in our time present on the electronic revolution, founder and informatics. Crystal definition and the basic material for the electronic industry, which is made of very pure silicon crystals ground most silicon through a process called Sikorsky in the form of cylinders up to 2 meters in the length and 30 centimeter in the diameter. Sikorsky process is the means to get a crystal of semiconductor such as silicon and germanium and metals such as palladium, platinum, gold, and silver. Also, cyanitic gemstone. The process is named after Polish scientist Jan Sikorsky, who invented the method in 1916 while investigating the crystallization rates of metals. This picture shows us the process of Sikorsky. Firstly, melting polysilicon stones. Here, the beginning of cable landing. Then begin pulling cable, and the end shows our crystal form with molten silicon deposit. These are some pictures of the crystal column and appears to us the form of cylindrical. This is picture crystal with diameter in excess of 12.5 centimeters and ranging in the length from 1 to 2 meters, and in this way produce protein. First stage, charging. This stage begins with charging about 250 pounds of polysilicon rocks, carefully sticked in the quartz crucible. The only other ingredient is a silicon disc with a tiny amount of boron. The addition of the boron depends ensure that the resulting crystal will bear a positive potential electronic orientation. As for the crucible, is covered from the inside and is made up of thick walls of graphite insulation and locked inside a cylindrical force. Second stage, melting. At this stage, the temperature is lifting oven the grades ranging about 2500 degrees Fahrenheit. There are a computer screens record temperature and weather condition where operator. The base is take out silicon crystal by this commutator and cable slowly spins above the oven. Third is growing stage. Here will start the crucible running and the seed begins to rotate in the opposite direction. It starts melting silicon freezing on seed. Start crystallizing. Crystal grows with the rays of cable and this seeds slowly and crystal. Elongate start at controlled width. Cooling stage is the last stage is called crystal, which takes 2.5 seconds graduate from the heating crucible. Crystal uses used to manufacture of a thin slice of semiconductor material such as a silicon crystal used in the fabrication of integrated circuit and other macro devices. Several types of solar cell are also made from such wafers. On wafer, a solar cell, usually square, is made from the entire wafer. Summary: crystal has been defined about its importance in the electronic industry. We saw some picture of crystal, of pure crystal. Talked about the stage of crystal formation and was the first step is charging and then step melting and third step of development and finally cooling the crystal. Finally, I talked about some of the uses of crystal. Thank you for listening.